Bon appetit.
Oh, Mexican food. My
Well,
favorite.
let's not just sit here with our tummies rumbling. Everybody dig in.
Don't mind if I do, Lily.
So, I suppose of these grandchildren I can expect from you would be...
Ogres. Yes.
Not that there's anything wrong with that. Right, Harold?
Oh, no, of course not. That is assuming you don't eat your own young.
Dad!
Oh, no. We usually prefer the ones who've been locked away in a tower.
Shrek,
I
please.
only did that because I love her.
Oh, hi. Daycare or dragon guarded castle?
You wouldn't understand. You're not her father.
It's so nice to have the family together for dinner. Harold! Shrek!
Fiona.
Fiona!
Mom! Harold!
Donkey.